Hello, today we will guide you through the best GMGN AI graph settings. To get started, open the GMGN AI token chart shown in the example. This brings you to the chart interface where all of the visual settings can be adjusted. If your goal is to make the chart easier to read and better suited to your trading style, you'll be working from the chart settings panel in the top right area. Once you're on the chart page, move to the top right of the chart and click the settings icon. This is the main control area for customizing how the graph looks and behaves. Opening this menu is the first step to accessing all of the display categories we'll be using. After the settings panel opens, click on Symbol. This section controls how the main trading pair or token information is presented on the chart. It's an important place to review because the symbol settings affect the way the chart data is visually labeled and displayed. Next, click on Status Line. The status line usually shows key chart details near the top, such as price information and other quick reference data. Navigating here allows you to manage what information is visible at a glance, which can help reduce clutter and make the chart easier to scan during active trading. From there, click on Scales and Line. This section is where chart axes and line-related display options are grouped. These settings can have a big impact on readability, especially if you want cleaner price scaling and a clearer view of chart movement. Taking a moment to review this area helps create a more polished visual setup. Then click on Canvas. The Canvas settings control the main background and chart presentation area. This is useful for improving visual contrast and overall chart comfort, especially if you spend long periods watching price action. A cleaner canvas can make patterns and movement easier to notice. After that, click on the Display dropdown. This gives you access to another layer of chart presentation options. If the dropdown is collapsed, make sure to expand it fully so you can view the available settings clearly. This is often where final visual adjustments are organized, so it's a good place to check carefully. As you move through each of these sections, it helps to pause and review the chart after every click, so you understand where each category lives inside the settings menu. That way, the next time you want to update your layout, you'll be able to find everything quickly and confidently. That's it for this walkthrough on the best GMGN AI graph settings.